My background's messy. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday. I'm recording a podcast episode today. I made coffee. I need a manicure so bad. I kind of want to put those like Olive and June press-ons back on just for fun, but nothing pisses me off more when they fall off. We are gonna do a big closet clean organization whole thing together. I might even try and get a head start on it. I'm gonna do a little deep dive on my podcast guest that I have today. My dog loves like a soft blanket like this more than anything, so I got him one with dogs all over it. That one's not for you. This is a human. Oh, there's a piece of popcorn. You want to eat it? Do you like it? Oh, why do you want this one? Ugh, I can't win. Okay, I'm gonna do my research. Put a little turtleneck on so I look like I sort of got ready for this podcast. Little do people know when I am recording this, it is a mess in here. But after today, it's gonna all be clean and I'm gonna have a proper setup. But for now, this is what's happening and I gotta go film this. So I'll see you later. I'm gonna go to Target right now and try and buy baskets. So then when I clean my closet, I have stuff to put everything in. I'm leaving mine now. Hopefully I come back with baskets and it's successful. This guy is watching me film and I'm just gonna embrace it. Hello, am I in reverse? How do I get the fuck out of here? Also got a bunch of pillows, like 6 pillows, because I got these pillowcases from like these really nice cashmere pillowcases from Naked Cashmere. I got all these up. Obviously these are not the pillowcases I'm keeping on, so I'm gonna cover them. We better pray that these are the right size. I looked it up. These do not look like they're gonna fit. What size is this? I thought they were 24 by 24 and these pillows are 24. Maybe the pillows will stretch it. Oh, I cannot take those out of the case. That is simply just fuzz. Okay, now we might have a slight problem. They do fit. They look weird. Something's wrong about this, but I don't have a choice. These pillows are so dense. Okay, I'm gonna need to FaceTime my sister because she's very good at interior design. And I feel like these don't look that great. I don't know, I just feel like they look kind of weird. If you have any comments or tips, you know, feel free to tell me. When I have this headband on, I'm either about to do a makeup tutorial or it's getting serious. I think for the clothing rack, it's gonna be the last thing I do just because my clothes are all put away. It's just like a lot that I need to go through. But what I really wanna do first is swimsuits and my vanity. I have a new vanity coming either tomorrow or Friday. It's just, I need more storage. I'm gonna give you an overview of what's happening first. So I'm kinda gonna put everything on the floor. Just drawers and drawers of stuff that I need to take out, and all under here is random makeup and stuff that doesn't really have a place. And here I have like some more random stuff. Okay, see, these drawers don't even, it's so full, it doesn't even open. Like these little bins for makeup that I can organize, and then bigger bins, and there's literally no rhyme or reason. I didn't buy any of this for specific stuff, so I'm just gonna start going for it, to be honest. I'm gonna do another big gray basket, like filled with skincare. Okay, success. So I did like concealer, foundation, primer, and setting spray. In here is just like skincare, whether it's body, face, eyes, brows, accessories, or like tools, not accessories, like scissors, lash curlers, tweezers, lips, face, like cheeks, like blush, bronzer, highlight, cream, powder, whatever. Okay, so that's the vibe. I've got this completely empty. I don't know what's next. The bikinis are stressing me out. Want to see why? I'm distraught. Because I don't even know where to start. But I also don't want to start pulling things out and making a huge mess until I like keep fixing certain things at a time. So, I don't know. I'll come back when I know what's up. Well, stuff has happened. I got all my podcasting stuff in here. So now, when I need to podcast, I can just whip this out. And then this is a basket of stuff from PR that I recently got. I feel a bit scary. Do I want to just get the swimsuits done with? But no, because there's so many. And I honestly feel like I need to clear other stuff first to make room for swimwear. I also want to think about how I want to organize my swimwear. So fresh start tomorrow with the clothes and starting with the swimsuits. So I think I'm going to figure out what I want to do with everything and figure out like where I want things. I'm going to leave all the makeup and beauty stuff that I put in these baskets in the baskets. See? I'm going to leave that for now until my new vanity comes. Because on Saturday, I'm going to have to clear the whole thing out again. So it doesn't really make sense. So I'm going to leave that. All good. I think that pretty much covers it. Okay. Morning. I got a spray tan. It looks a little intense. But I got this fresh bread from, it's called Michelina. Stunning. Okay, I'm only cutting one piece. That shit is way too hard. Okay, so basically it's day 2 of this trying to get organized process. And I decided to draw a map. Hold on. I can recognize this is probably extremely extra of me to do. I'm well aware. I'm a visual type of person, you know what I mean? Here we have my bedroom, which has the 6 drawers, right? Yeah, 6 drawer dresser. Then here, we have the 5 drawer dresser. So I've written everything that's in all these things. And then like what's above my closet in those baskets, the swimwear. And then in my master closet, like what's in there. Because I'm just trying to figure out in my head like where to put what. And like when I start going through it, how to organize it. I have not come to a conclusion yet. But it's helpful to see where everything is. So I'm going to figure that out and then montage and we'll just go for it. Another day and I did all the bikinis. I then this morning, I didn't film it, but built this. I think I'll put this in my master closet. And I think I'm gonna do like swimsuits in the bottom 3 because I need a lot of room for them. And then I'm thinking like denim shorts, maybe hats in one of them. We'll see, we'll see. Or should I do bra, underwear, socks in the top? I don't know. I'm going to give you an overview so you can see the progress at the end. But I just have like also tote bags and stuff. But I'm going to put that in a basket above the closet. Those are all the swimsuits that are going to be moved. And my vanity comes tomorrow. Okay. I did it. So now I have some empty baskets. Progress. I didn't film as much as I'd like, but I feel like I already have so many like montage clips that it's boring. So the baskets are still on the ground. My vanity is built tomorrow, which I'll show you guys obviously in this video. Where do I want to start? I put all my sunglasses in here, and then I left my socks in here, and then I put my workout stuff and more workout stuff, and then this drawer is empty, but it doesn't close, and it's really annoying. Oh, okay. And here above, I did like, see, beanies. Then I did baseball caps, belts and stuff. Okay, that's better. This is all like extra PR, skincare, whatever. And then this, what did I put? Oh, these are sunglass cases. And in here, oh, I got this basket for my towels because it was in like, like a construction box in my closet. This is the closet I'm talking about that's just like storage. So suitcases and then like sheets. I don't know why I did that. And then this was very successful. I have like all my swimsuits in the bottom 3 and like shorts, toiletry cases, tote bags. This is all electronic, boring stuff. This is more like vlog stuff. I also made a drawer in my dresser like work. I did comfy shorts. This is empty now. That's where my sunglasses were. This is empty. And then these 2 drawers are like stuffed with pajamas, so that's like a later problem. Wait a second though. These go together. I want to put these in here. I don't know why that just happened.
It's so narcissistic. It's like, pay attention to me.
Yeah, and it's like right when I turn on the camera. It's so rude. Good morning, everybody. I put a lip color on, so I look a little bit more presentable. Today is Sunday. My vanity, the new thing that I've been talking about throughout this whole vlog, was built, and I put everything away. So I want to show you. And it works a lot better. And then I moved the desk into my room. Oh wait, Bella, I want to show you that so you can tell me what you think about the desk
I'm
position.
gonna hate it, but okay.
I know.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's fine for now.
Yeah, but it's gonna go.
It's gonna go when we redo my room.
When are we gonna redo it? Should I get some inspo pictures?
Yeah, like right now, my iPad and computer right there.
I love an iPad.
Here she is. Obviously, it has way more space. Okay, so in this first one, I just did like everyday stuff. I have palette, mascara, eyeliner, all tools, and eyelashes. I have brows in this thing, and then all around it is like a bunch of like individual glitter shadows, and then like a big palette at the bottom. I have all my foundation, concealer, primer, and setting spray. In this first one, I have all my powder, blush, highlight, and bronzer. And then in this little one, I have all like the cream highlight, bronzer, and blush. I have all lips, just a bunch of lip stuff. And then down here, safety pins and lint rollers, because I have a dog that sheds on absolutely everything. I was freezing cold, so I put this Dancing with the Stars robe on. Dude, I remember when I saw this in my trailer, I was like, yeah, this is cool. Now I'm warm in my slippers. Look at the back. And then when you walk in my room, this is just where I put that desk for now. Hi, boo-boo. Why?